Welcome to Learn with Invent. In today's section, we are going to see about switch case in C program. Demonstration on switch statement. A mother asks his son to decide what to drink. She gives option number 1, milk, option 2, strawberry juice, option 3, coffee, and option 4, tea. The son prefers strawberry juice. Hence, the mother starts preparing option 2, the strawberry juice. Similarly, in switch statement, the user is given multiple choices. According to the choice of the user, the corresponding program is executed. We will see the usage of switch case in C program using arithmetic operations. We are going to get two numbers from the users and perform arithmetic operations according to their choices. Let's see the logic. Open your developer C++ environment. First, we are going to get two numbers from the users. Let the numbers be A and B. We are going to give choices for the user such as option 1, option 2, subtraction, option 3, multiplication, option 4, division, and option 5, exit. We are going to get the choice from the user, that is whether it is 1, 2, 3, 4 or 5. We are going to save this choice in a variable NUM. NUM stands for choice selected by the user. When the user selects the choice 1, the variable NUM is equal to 1 and the following addition operation is performed. We are going to assign a variable SUM to store the sum of the two values, that is A plus B. Second choice, the variable NUM is assigned to 2. We are going to save the difference in SUB, which is equal to A minus B. When the user selects the third choice, NUM is assigned to value 3. We are going to save the product in mul, which is equal to A star B. When the user chooses the option 4, the variable NUM is changed to 4. We are going to save the division value in div, which is equal to A divided by B. Last case, which is 5, we are going to exit the program. Last logic is if the user doesn't enter the correct option. But if the user enters number 6, then we are going to enter the correct option. Now let's start typing our program. First, we have to include our library file. Hash include standard library file stdio.h. Initiate our main function. We are going to get integer values. Hence, the main function is declared in int main, body of the program. Inside the program, we have to first declare the variables. First, we are going to get two variables, variable A, B from the user. The third variable is, we are going to get the choice from the user, which is NUM. The fourth variable is sum. The fifth variable is sub. The sixth variable is mul. The seventh variable is div. So, we are going to declare 7 variables. All these variables are integers. Declare in A, B, user input, NUM, choice of the user, SUM, sum of the two numbers, SUB, the variable where we are going to save the difference of two numbers, MUL, variable where we are going to save the product of two numbers, div, where we are going to save the division value. We have declared our 7 variables. Now let's get the user input using printf function. Enter the values of A and B. Scanf function to store the variables. Both are decimals, hence %d. The variables are stored in ampersand A, comma, ampersand B. Then we are going to print the choices. Printf. We are going to print it in the next line. Therefore /n. Enter your choice. Let's start typing our choices in the next line. /n. Choice 1. Addition. Next another /n. Option 2. Subtraction. Third option, which is multiplication. Next line. Fourth option, which is your division. Fifth option, exit from the program. As soon as the user enters the choice, we are going to save it in the variable NUM. Therefore, use the scanf function. Scanf, the user is going to enter an integer. So it is a decimal value. So we are going to give %d. %d, we are going to save it in the variable ampersand num. Now you have to type the choices, that is the cases. We are having 5 cases. Case 1 addition, case 2 subtraction, case 3 multiplication, case 4 division, and case 5 exit. Start your new block. Before the new block, we are going to use switch the variable where the user enters the choice, which is num. We are going to pass this variable inside the body of the program. Case 1 addition operation. The variable to store the sum of two values is sum, which is equal to a plus b. Print the sum. Print it in the next line. /n sum of a and b is %d, comma, the variables where the sum is stored sum. Next, an important point. We have to break the statement as soon as case is executed. Break. Second case, the variable is sub to store the difference of two numbers. Operation is a minus b. To print the output, printf function. Next line, difference of a and b is %d, comma, the variable sub. Similarly, repeat for all the other 3 cases. After typing the 4 cases, compile your program and run. Enter the value of two numbers. Let's give 2, then 3. Enter. Enter your choices. Let's give 1. Addition. The sum of a and b is 5. We have to give a /n after exit statement. Now we are going to type our final case. This is case 5, which is exit. You need not call any variables. Just type the function exit 1. Compile your program and run. Compilation error where exit was not declared in this scope. Exit is not included in the standard header library file stdio.h. Since stdio.h contains only input and output functions, we have to include another library file #include stdlib.h. The library file stdlib.h contains user-defined functions such as exit. Compile your program and run. Enter any two values. Let's give 10 and 20. Enter your choices. Let's give multiplication 3. Product of a and b is 200. After pressing the choice 5, my program has terminated. The number 1 inside the function exit denotes the container shutdown or termination of the program. If the number 1 is not given inside the function, we are going to an error that few arguments to the function must be defined. Hence, we have to terminate the program with the number 1. Last part of our program, which is enter the correct option. When the user selects the option which is not in the choices, we have to inform the user to enter the correct choice. Therefore, default printf /n enter the correct choice. You have to give a break statement. Compile and run your program. Let's check the division operation. Let's enter number 50. My a value is 50 and b value is 10. I am going to give the choice 4. Enter. Division of a and b is 5. Press number 5. My program has been terminated. Let's check for the default option. Let's give 80 and 50. Now I am going to enter the choice of 7, which does not exist. You can see we have received the message enter the correct choice. Hence we have completed the program successfully. We will see furthermore C programs in the upcoming section. Keep coding with Invent. Thank you.